The second session of the chapter Enzymes detail about the classification and the theories of enzyme action. Coming to the classification of enzymes, based on the action it performs, enzymes are classified into six categories. That is oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, and ligases. Oxidoreductases means they catalyze redox reaction, that is oxidation and reduction. Apart from that, they can be categorized into dehydrogenases, peroxidases, hydroxylases, etc. Also, they catalyze the transfer of hydrogen or oxygen atom or electron from one substrate to another. The general equation of this oxidoreductases is indicated by A plus B giving A in the oxidized state and the oxidation is caused by B. At the same time, B is reduced. For example, the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenases causes the oxidation of ethanol to acetaldehyde. Another example is pyruvate dehydrogenases catalyzes the oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A. Coming to transferases, they catalyze the transfer of a molecular group from one molecule to another. For example, glucokinase catalyzes the transfer of a phosphate group from ATP to glucose. So when glucose is combining with ATP, in presence of this glucokinase, one of the phosphate molecule will be added to glucose to form glucose 6-phosphate. At the same time, ATP is reduced to ADP. Another example can be given as transaminase, which transfer an amino group from one molecule to another. That is phosphotransferases, transfers a phosphate group. Like transaminase will transfer amino group and phosphotransferase will transfer phosphate group. The third category, hydrolases, hydrolyze the substrate by addition of water across the bond they split. They the substrates which can be hydrolyzed include esters, glycosyl linkage, ether bond, peptide linkage, acid anhydride, carbon-carbon bond, halide, and phosphorus nitrogen bonds. The general equation can be written as when AX is combining with water molecule, OH will be added to A to form XOH and HA. Example can be given as maltase hydrolyzes maltose into 2 glucose units, or lipase hydrolyzes lipid to fatty acid and glycerol. Lyases catalyze the breakage of bonds without catalysis. They promote the removal of a group from the substrate to leave a double bond reaction or catalyze its reverse reaction. The general equation can be written as this, where a formation of double bond is resulted from a saturated compound. For example, aldolases, which is an enzyme in glycolysis, catalyzes the splitting of fructose 1,6 biphosphate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Another category, isomerases, promote or catalyzes isomerism or conversion of one isomer to another by transferring a group of atom from molecule to one molecule to another. For example, phosphoglucomutase catalyzes the conversion of glucose 1-phosphate to glucose 6-phosphate. From first position, it is moving to sixth position. Phosphate group is transferred from one to another position in the same compound in glycogenolysis. Ligases catalyze the synthesis of two molecular substances into one molecular compound with the release of energy. These are enzyme catalyzing the linking together, the linkages, the bond together of two compounds utilizing the energy made available due to simultaneous breaking of a pyrophosphate bond in ATP or a similar compound. For example, DNA ligase catalyzes the joining of two fragments of DNA by forming a phosphodiester bond. At the same time, pyruvate carboxylases joins together bicarbonate and pyruvate to form oxaloacetate. So these are the classification of enzyme, which are 6 classes. Now coming to enzyme substrate interaction, the enzyme's active site binds to substrate. For the reaction between an enzyme and substrate, the active site of an enzyme should bind to the substrate. When an enzyme binds its substrate, it forms an enzyme substrate complex. It can be written as E plus S reversible ES, enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme promotes chemical reactions by bringing substrates together in an optimal orientation, thus creating an ideal chemical environment for the reaction to occur. But the exact chemical nature of the active site is not known. So, for the reaction between this enzyme and substrate and formation of the product, two models have been proposed to explain the nature of enzyme substrate reaction. One is Fischer's lock and key model, and the other one is Koshland's induced fit theory. Coming to Fischer's lock and key model, the active site of the enzyme is complementary in conformation to the substrate, so that the correct substrate, which can be also correlated to the orientation or the conformation or the structure of a key and a lock, so that just like a key fits into lock, the correct substrate fit into the active site of the enzyme. This theory to form an enzyme substrate complex. So this is the mechanism proposed by Fischer, and it is termed as Fischer's lock and key model. According to him, this is the process by which a substrate is attacking or fitting into the active site of the enzyme to form enzyme substrate complex. Another model which was proposed by Koshland, according to that, the enzyme changes its shape upon binding the substrate, so that the conformation of the substrate and enzyme protein are only complementary after the binding reaction. Here you can see the conformation of the substrate and the active site of the enzyme. It is not same, but when the substrate is attacking the enzyme, it is exactly fitting into the active site of the enzyme to form ES complex, that is enzyme substrate complex, with a changed conformation for the active site of the enzyme. Thus, presumably brings the amino acid chains of the active site into positions of optimal catalytic efficiency. This theory is more favorable because distortion in the shape of both enzyme and substrate have been observed on binding. So this is more acceptable than Fischer's lock and key mechanism, because once the enzyme is binding with the substrate, once enzyme substrate complex is formed, a modification in the structure of the active site and substrate was observed, which proves that this should be the mechanism for enzyme substrate complex. So in this session, we have seen the classification of enzyme into 6 classes based on its action, and the model to propose the action between the reaction or the mechanism between the action of enzyme and substrate.